Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampingwithamore. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing quick and easy and an oldie but goodie. And I totally forgot about these until I found these little sleeves in my stash, and I was like, oh, I'm going to make those for my grandkids to put in their stockings this year because stockings are my favorite thing. How many of you love doing stockings? I love doing the stocking stuffers. I love Easter baskets as well. And I usually still do them for all my grandkids. I guess when they get married, then that will stop. But yeah, I just love doing that. And so this is what I'm sharing today. And guess what I'm using? The Sending Chair Bundle again, because you know these are perfect for it. I did the little stocking this time. These are all made to be like little tags. So you can make the little envelope, you can make this gift package, you can do the little gingerbread. Wouldn't that be cute with some brown M&Ms? Those would be really cute. And then the stocking as well. Today, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the hat. So we're going to use this hat, Santa hat. I'm going to put a little holly on there. I'm going to do the For You on this. And yeah, let's just go do it as we go. So yeah, I love this. By the way, the Last Chance list is out and it's on my blog. It's probably a couple posts down, but look to see what you can get because these things are going to go away. And this is one of my favorite, as you probably already know. I use it a ton. All right, so this is what I'm sharing today. Isn't it cute? Just super simple. And I'm going to probably be doing a lot of last minute and super simple because, you know, we're 2 weeks away from Christmas and we need to get our stuff done and we need to do something that's quick and easy. That's how I feel right now. I hope you do too. All right. So I already filled another one. Like you can do different, like I did this one different because I just wanted them to be different. This one's just every other one. This one I think I did 6 at a time. And I already filled it because I know you don't want to sit and watch me fill it. And so these little sleeves, I'll link them in the description below. So for those of you who never can get to the description, it's right below the title and you'll have to see a little more at the bottom. You have to click that more and then you may see another more as well. And then you have to click that. I have all the links to the products there. I have all different information there. And I have all the things that I use that aren't Stampin' Up. I think actually these were Stampin' Up. I think years ago we had these. But I'm going to link the ones I found on Amazon in there for you. And they're really cheap and inexpensive. And they're really just fun and a quick and easy thing to do. This is great for classrooms too as well. All right. So let's get started with this. I think the first thing we'll do is I brought the mini cut and emboss up here. We're going to go ahead and stamp the things that we need first. So I'm going to stamp the holly. And I'm just going to use some shaded spruce. I'm going to do the berries. I'm going to just punch out some berries with my punch. Because you can stamp the berries as well. But I'm just going to do it this way because it's easy. So we're going to do the berries. And I wanted to use the sentiment. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the For You on it or not. But let me grab my black ink here. I'm using the VersaFine, but I'll link that also in the description. I usually use the Memento, but my Memento's been low, so I just grabbed my VersaFine, and I've been using this a lot, and I really love this ink. So I'm going to just put it right here, because I'm not sure if we're going to use this or not, but we'll figure it out as we go. All right, so the dies that we need, I think if I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this little die here. We're going to need the Santa hat. We're going to need this, and this is for the fluff of his top of his hat, and then the little pom-pom for his hat. All right. Oh, and the holly. We need the holly. This is the one for the berries in case you want to stamp them. All right, so let me grab that cut and emboss, and we're going to run these all through. And yeah, I'm going to show you on my little mini. I love this mini. It's just so handy and so cute, but as you know, it's smaller, so you can't do like bigger projects on it. So I'm going to use the 1 and a plate and then the 4, and that's what works best for me. So all machines are different, so you might want to check and see what works best for you, but this always seems to work best for me. So let's cut these out first. And I probably should use some mint tape. Alright, so let's grab that and use it. So we cut this out good. Let's use some on the other one too. Alright, and then we're going to run this through. Isn't this the cutest little machine? I love this thing. We have a balmy blue one as well. I didn't get it because I already have this one. Alright, so we're going to save those, set those aside, and let's go ahead and run these through. So the Santa hat, we'll do that one first. Of course, using real red. And see, it has a little thing where we could just string the ribbon. And then let's just use the basic white here, and we'll do the fur part of his hat. It's really chilly today here. So I have my sweater on again in my craft room because it's usually pretty chilly back here. Okay, let's set these all aside, and we're going to glue these together. So I'm going to just use some wet glue, and we'll put his hat together. So cute. I love this little hat. I'm going to really miss this bundle. Oh my gosh, I love this bundle so much. And then let's go ahead and let's grab this real red and let's cut some berries. Should I make the little berries or the big? I think I'm going to grab my 1/8 inch and see, maybe the small berries might look better. I'm not sure. Oh, this one's not my smallest. This one is my regular hole punch, so let's get those out. Just keep the real red ones. And we'll just use those. Okay, let's see. Let's put it on the side here. Let's do it this way. And then we'll put his berries right here. Again, I should grab my Take Your Pick tool. This is always the best tool. It has a lot of attachments too, y'all. If you don't have this tool, oh my gosh, it's so handy. There we go. Alright, sometimes I like to just enhance it, and I will take just one of my pens. I usually just use my very small pen, and I can't my fine marker, but I just like to put like a little line for the berries sometimes. You can do it in white as well. It's really cute in the white. I've done it like that before too. So there is our little hat, and we're going to grab our little M&M pack. I'm going to punch a hole in here for the ribbon. It just makes it easier to get your ribbon through. And I'm using this red and white combo pack. It's the Real Red and Garden Green. I said red and white, didn't I? It's Real Red and Garden Green. Let's see, I think I'll use the Garden Green this time. I used the Real Red on the last one, just to make it a little different. Just string it through. Y'all, I'm sorry that my tutorial went up late. on Tuesday I had my grandson's hockey game. And y'all, I can't resist going to his games. I just feel like time flies and I don't want to miss anything. So it was posted at regular time on YouTube and on my blog, but on Facebook it didn't get. So if it's late, you're going to know why it's late. All right, I'm going to put the For You on here as well, because I just like that on there. This is so cute. I love the Santa hat. It's really cute. All right, and then I'm just going to tie a bow. I am doing free gift with purchase using this host code. So if you do purchase anything, use the host code, because then I'll send you a free gift. If you don't use it, I will not be sending a free gift, because I really need you to use the host code so that I can do that. I explained it all in the last video if you didn't see that one. All right, so there you go. Here's our Santa hat and our For You. Isn't it cute? Aren't these so cute? I love these, and I totally forgot. It's such an oldie but goodie. But y'all, check out the link below where you get these little sleeves, because you can get a bunch and they're not expensive at all. And isn't that cute? This is so cute for classrooms. And you can even put a bunch of these, tie them all together, and it would be super cute. Like get a ribbon and tie them all together and use like 3 different things. It would be so cute for like a teacher's gift or anything like that. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, here's my host code for December. If you use it, I will be sending you a free gift. I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.